Hello, we're going to go through using the chest press machine. Now, one of the first things you need to do is set your height so you're at the right level to press and use your chest muscles. To do that, we want to pull the yellow lever down underneath us to drop the seat or lift the seat until the handles are level with mid to lower chest, ideally. Where it will be for you is kind of your preference. I tend to prefer a little bit lower. Some people prefer a little bit higher to mid chest. Once we have the seat set, we can adjust the arm distance. There is a lever back here. Pull that down, the arms will move, and you want to pull them back as far as you will be able to manage. Release your lever, and now it's time to set the weights that you want to choose. So using the pin, we go in. Remember, we have the additional 2.5 kilogram attachment. Set your position back against the backrest. Your head can be touching or not. It's again personal preference. Now, to get started, it is a bit tricky in the furthest back position. That's just because of the mechanical disadvantage of the body. You're not weak, don't worry, it's just extra hard. Once you've done your first rep, it'll be a bit easier. Now, you can use the vertical handles to get started, and then I suggest move to the horizontal handles when you can. However, if you do have any shoulder impingement issues, some people prefer the vertical handles all the way through. So we get push to get out, change over to the horizontal handles, and then we perform our reps, hands as far back as we can manage without the plates stacking and touching each other, and then breathe out, push forward. Come back, breathe out, push. Do that for a number of the reps prescribed in your program. And when you're done, come all the way back, like extra little bit of stretch, put the weights down gently, and you're good to go for your next set or moving on to your next exercise.